alphabet, alphabet soup, alphabet, alphabet soup, alphabet, alphabet soup.
Hey friends, let's go to the alphabet zoo.
A is for ant, ant. B is for bird, bird. C is for camel, camel. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. I know my alphabet, I love my alphabet. Let's go to the alphabet zoo. G is for goat, goat. H is for hamster, hamster. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jaguar, jaguar. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. I know my alphabet, I love my alphabet. Let's go to the alphabet zoo. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for newt, newt. O is for ostrich, ostrich. P is for pig, pig. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. I know my alphabet, I love my alphabet. Let's go to the alphabet zoo. S is for snake, snake. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella bird, umbrella bird. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for walrus, walrus. X is for zeros, zeros. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. I know my alphabet, I love my alphabet. Let's go to the alphabet zoo. I know my alphabet, I love my alphabet. Let's go to the alphabet zoo.
Hi my friends, you can now stream Alphabet Zoo on your favorite music streaming platforms like Apple Music, Spotify, and YouTube Music. And also, don't forget to check out my Let's Learn the Alphabet episode on YouTube. And also, you can now order my brand new book, Kari Goes Back to School, at www.jpeteproductions.com. There's so many ways that you can keep up with me. You can watch my videos on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and APR Kids apps. And you can listen to all of your favorite Mr. Pete songs on your favorite music streaming platforms. You can also read my books about the adventures of Kari and rock your own Mr. Pete's Playhouse merch. If you want to see me live, you can contact me for a live performance or to DJ your party or special event. So, follow me on your favorite social media platforms to see what I am doing next. And head on over to my website, www.jpeteproductions.com for more information. Bye! I'll see you soon!